Hi everyone, this is Howard here again, invading your social media with another virtual tour of one of my new listings. It is located at 9399 Alexandra Road in central Richmond. This beautiful 2-bed and home just came on the market 2 days ago. So let's go inside and take you around. This beautifully furnished ground floor unit in Alexandra Court feels like a show home. With over-height 9 feet ceilings, the 870 square feet home feels more spacious than ever. The open kitchen features a classy backsplash and stainless steel appliances from Blomberg and KitchenAid. The entire place was repainted in 2019 and features laminate floors throughout. The bedrooms are located on opposite sides for more privacy and quietness. In the master bedroom, the walk-through closet connects to a well-equipped ensuite featuring his and her sinks, a standing shower, and a bathtub if you love taking baths. The open den is perfect for a home office or additional storage, and the entire home utilizes energy-efficient geothermal heating system. In the summertime, you don't have to stress about the heat because air conditioning is also built in. For amenities, there is a 12,000 square feet clubhouse, which includes a gym, an outdoor pool, hot tub, a lounge, guest suites you can rent, and even a ping pong room. The unit is also located in a prime location in Richmond. Walmart, Bed Bath & Beyond is literally across the street. It is also close to Canada Line, Richmond Centre, Lansdowne Mall, Kwantlen University, and all the best restaurants Richmond has to offer within a 2-kilometer radius. What I love about having a ground floor unit is that you get an extra large patio and direct access to the street, which makes it feel like townhome living. If you love having friends over, like me, it's also perfect to host a nice barbecue party in the summer. I'm also a big dog lover, which means that I can bring my dog out for a washroom break or a quick walk without waiting for the elevator. It's just super convenient all around. So there you have it, guys. Don't wait on this home. Come see it. You know who to contact. And until next time, see ya.